Attorney Zeleiko Lopez sinugod sa Veterans Memorial Center, Vice President Sara Duterte hindi iniiwan si Attorney Zeleiko Lopez.
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero ma'am, let
Can we
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because we are
I need my
under...
lawyers to be present, ma'am. Please, please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not
I
here
am,
po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
Eh, ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
ano we need to
understand.
also?
Kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema, sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
Before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need
Because
my
ba-
lawyer. No, let them, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay.
anywhere. Just
Opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo na sa...
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Oh, it's okay. Please just go out. Leave the room now.
For the years 2022.
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order.
Opo.
Opo.
Ng order, nabasa ko na po yan. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi, this is a detention center.
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
House of
Yes, ma'am.
Representatives
Opo. Yes, ma'am.
For contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo.
So,
Ma'am, let
lalo
us,
yun
ma'am,
here
let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's, yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it?
Can you just give us a copy? and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we'll read it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, I mean, for the years 2022, 2023,